Self-conscious emotions. Not all emotions are present from birth. Some emotions develop later, once children begin to understand themselves in relation to others. These are called self-conscious emotions. They include feelings like shame, guilt, pride, and jealousy. Unlike basic emotions, these require self-awareness, social understanding, and the ability to evaluate one's own behavior. As children grow, they begin to ask, how do others see me? Did I do something wrong or right? So, when we talk about being ashamed, shame is a deeply uncomfortable emotion where the child feels that they themselves are flawed or inadequate. Instead of focusing on a specific behavior, shame affects the child's sense of self. A child experiencing shame may avoid eye contact, withdraw, or hide. Talking about jealousy. Jealousy arises when a child feels that something important like attention, affection, or recognition is being taken away. This is commonly seen when a new sibling is born or when the attention shifts to another child. Jealousy is not just negative, it reflects the child's need for connection and security. Talking about pride is the feeling of satisfaction that comes from achieving something. It reflects a child's growing sense of competence and self-worth. For instance, completing a task independently or receiving praise can lead to pride. Guilt, unlike shame, is focused on behavior, not the self. It occurs when a child realizes that they have done something wrong. For example, hurting a friend or breaking something may lead to guilt. Guilt is actually a positive emotion in development. It encourages responsibility, empathy, and repair. These are higher order emotions, and the onset becomes evident in children around 18 to 24 months as they develop a distinct sense of self. There is a huge impact on adjustment. Experiences of shame can lead to withdrawal, aggression, and emotional difficulties, whereas guilt tends to motivate actions and pro-social behavior, which fosters healthy adjustment. There are also cultural differences where Western cultures emphasize individual achievement, which leads to more personal shame, while Eastern countries may connect these emotions to group expectations and social harmony. There is also a change with age. As children mature, they become better at managing self-conscious emotions.